Okay, welcome to Swell Academy. Let's say you had a problem in which it tells you have a 10-foot ladder and it needs to be against a house at 3 to 1, let's say 3 to 1 ratio. So for every let's say 3 feet up the wall, it needs to be 1 foot from the wall, up from wall, in order to be of code, right? It's a good problem here. Now, we do see the right triangle here. And then what we want to do is always draw a diagram that maybe is a little bit more helpful to you. And we know it's at a 3 to 1 ratio. We don't know our legs, but we know it's a 3 to 1 ratio. So we'll just say for every 3 feet, there's 1 foot. And then they will tell us, or I will tell you, that it has the ladder needs to be 10 feet in length. So, you're just going to run through your Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and just fill in accordingly. 3x squared. Oh, mistake there. Should be a parentheses here. Plus 1x squared is equal to 10 squared. And then you're going to distribute the exponent 9x squared. It'll look like this. 9x squared plus 1x squared is equal to 100. Combine like terms. X squared and x squared can be added. You cannot add an x squared plus an x3, but you can add variables with the same exponent. And we would say this is 2x squared. So here we're going to say this is 10x squared is equal to 100. Divide by 10. X squared is equal to 10. Take the square root. X is equal to, look at the calculator real quick so I can get you a good square root. About 3.16. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take your x and you're going to plug that back in to your two sides for your legs. 3 times 3.16. And you're going to get about, and that's why I do a little squiggly line here, because it's about 9.48. And then your other side is just simply 1x, so you're just plugging in for your other side is about 3.16. So if you were to redraw and design that triangle, basically you're saying it's a triangle that has a 10-foot hypotenuse. It's up the wall about 9.48 feet, and it's from the wall about 3.16 feet. Which kind of makes sense, because for every 3 feet, there's 1 foot. So you have about 9 feet, so you have about 3 feet, right? 3 to 1 ratio could be the same as a 9 to 3 ratio. 1 over 3 is the same as 3 over 9. So the ratio fits there accordingly. And 0.16 times 3 is 0.48. So you see even the decimals line up. And this is a good way to work this real life problem. I hope this helps. And any questions, just feel free to post.